Hey, Aaron here with Superior Singing Method, and this is increase vocal range in a week. Okay, increase vocal range in a week. I mean, let's be honest, you're probably not going to increase your vocal range like an octave in a week, but a note or two, yeah, I actually think that you can. Here's my first question for you. Do you do vocal exercises, warm-up exercises daily? If you're like most of my students or just most people in this world, you probably don't do them every day. Maybe you do them from time to time. You're checking YouTube and you kind of do it here and there, maybe before a gig or whatever. But here's what I want to challenge you to do something, and I'll get there in a minute. First thing I want you to do is go to a guitar or a piano or any instrument that you have in the house, and I want you to check what is the note that you sing right now, like what is kind of at the top of your range, like whatever it is up top there, and I'm not talking about a note that you strain to, like, nothing that sounds, what is like a nice strong note that you can sing with plenty of breath support, but it's at the top of your range. So I want you to check what that is. I want you to write it down, and then I want you to commit to doing just one exercise for the next 7 days, but make sure you do it every single day. And what I want you to do is I want you to do the exercise for about 2.5 minutes. This is 7 days in a row. And then I want you to go back and check it on that instrument and see what your highest note is at that point. Okay, you ready for the exercise? It's woo and wee. And the woos, I want you to do the woos up and the wees down. And you can actually intermingle. You can do woos up and down, wees up and down. But just for the sake of this video and this exercise, do the woos up and the wees down. So it's going to be woo 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 wee 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 wee. And then take a breath. You're going again from the bottom of your range to the top of your range. You're not straining, but you're just doing it nice from the bottom to the top and helping expand that range. So let's try it again. Take a breath and then do it again and do it for 2.5 minutes straight. If you're about to pass out, stop for a few minutes. That's fine, no big deal. And then you can just pick it back up again. Remember, every day, but for only 7 days. Then I want you to go back and check and see what note that you're at, because it's going to take a little bit of consistency. Reaching your dreams as a singer and becoming a great singer and increasing your range. All these things are great. They're possible, and they're possible for you too, not just for people that were born with talent. You know that's not what I don't believe that you have to be born with talent. You just have to have a little bit of tenacity, know the right exercises, and move toward the goals that you want. So anyway, that's what I want for you. Also, click the link below because I've got my other favorite exercises down there and just a lot of really great free resources for you. So click the link below and I'll see you next time.